Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make some farfalle pasta. You're going to dice up some red and green peppers with some minced garlic and some yellow onion. And then grab your favorite seasoning for Italian pasta, okay? Heat up your pan with some extra virgin olive oil, all right? And so we can go ahead and get our veggies sauteed, okay? And these are the seasonings I am using in this video. You got your salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, red pepper, garlic, onion powder, and you got your paprika and your herb de Provence, okay? You got you some green onion. Go ahead and chop those up as well. Put the green leafy part to the side, all right? And we're going to use the white bulb part to go ahead and saute down with the rest of the veggies. Add your seasoning to the veggies. Go ahead and give it a nice toss. My goodness, it smells delicious in here already. Okay, this is just something quick and simple for your family or yourself. Okay, and go ahead and get your ground turkey. We are using ground turkey, guys. Yes, we are. Use those same seasonings and add them in there. I also had some fresh parsley that I diced up, minced up, and I added all my veggies into the ground meat. Go ahead and add you some sauce. I didn't make my own sauce. I used Prego, okay? Prego. I said Prego. I used me some Prego. Go ahead and get that done. We're going to simmer this down for a nice half an hour or so. Once you go ahead, you see how good that meat sauce look. Yes, add your green onions into it. Your cheese is done, melt it down. Add your pasta. Follow the instructions on the box of your pasta, okay? And cook until a little before al dente, because we want to go ahead and mix it in here and give all those flavors, get it married together in this pot. And we were done. The cheese, I use Italian blend mix and mozzarella. And bam, there you have it. You don't need hamburgers helper. You don't need Chef Boyardee. Be your own chef. Know what you're eating, right? Well, thank y'all for watching. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. And as I always say, I love you. Stay blessed and peace out. Later.